Have you ever felt like your dream life is out there waiting for you, but a lot of times you're just searching in the dark to really try to find it? Have you ever felt like you don't know where it is or you don't know the steps to take? Man, I felt like that too. But one thing that I started to realize is that your dream life isn't just out there. It's not in somebody else's hands. It's not built by somebody else. You have to build your dream life. And when I finally learned this, that's when I started to be more effective on YouTube. That's when I started to be more effective on the books I read. That's when I started to be more effective with my friends, my family, and all the different things that I see around me. So if you searching and you like, man, where is this dream life? How can I get it? How is it built? Man, you have to find the knowledge. It really starts by seeking out the knowledge to figuring out what actual steps, strategies, and tools that you need to build that dream life. And it won't just come to you. It ain't just gonna come by osmosis. You have to get out there and you have to rub shoulders with those individuals that can help you. I was just thinking this when I was on my way to work this morning, and I was like, you know, prosperity is out there, wealth is out there, but it ain't gonna find you at home on the couch. It ain't gonna find you searching. You have to be able to get out there and to move around and to network and to really be around those different people. And what does that do for you? What that really does is that it builds prosperity. It builds the knowledge. Knowledge and power is the only way that this world has been built. Like, think about all the buildings, think about the technology, think about everything that the world has gone through today in this point. And what I've noticed is that every single thing has been built off of just pure knowledge. Everybody had to learn skills, techniques, the tools to be able to build the things that you see around you. So you might be searching and wondering, like, how do I build this life? Man, I'm pretty sure that the life that you want, somebody else has already built it. The life that you are seeking, somebody has already done it. So either you read a book or go get into a program with somebody that's actually doing it. And when you start to see this, man, like your whole entire life will change. You'll see, like, man, I was just searching, I was waiting, nothing really came to me. But it's when you put action. I always say this: it's just plan, and then you pray, and then you execute. Really, it comes down to execution. Execution is you doing the work that's necessary for you to go out and get it. If you sit down and you plan and you actually print out the blueprint for what you would like your life to be like, then you pray, which is really believing and asking God for it, and then you execute, bruh, every single thing that you want is going to come to you. Every single thing that you ever imagine is going to happen for you. But you have to get the actual executing is really you going out and getting the actual plans, getting the power, and getting the knowledge. Really, the knowledge comes from searching, seeking, knocking on doors, and going out and finding out where it is and what it is that you need. As soon as you realize this, man, your life is going to change. Get off of your couch. Get outside of your house, get outside of your community, and get with other people that are doing different things. You have to stretch. If you're not stretching yourself, then what are you doing? If you're not pushing yourself, then what are you doing? You're not moving forward. So then you being comfortable, which is really you decreasing. So get the knowledge, man. Like, it's cool for you to be at home and, and searching and searching the web and researching your actual profession, or reading a book on your profession. I've done that for many, many years, and I feel like these last 4 years, that's what I've done. But now I'm coming into a season where it's really about networking. It's really about putting myself in a position for my opportunity to come search me. A lot of times people think that the opportunity is going to come knocking on your door, man. You might be blessed for have an opportunity like that. But for most of us, it's not going to happen. So for you to be able to move forward, man, go rub shoulders with those people that's in your industry. Go pull up to that seminar that you really want to go to, right? And I'm doing that this year. I'm really pushing myself to go to more events, to attend more in-person events, not just online, right? But there are some different ways and things that you can do to really increase your overall self, right? But you got to be intentional. You have to be intentional with the life that you want. You have to be intentional with every single thing that you're doing. But once you actually seek and search and get the knowledge, then you have to apply it. You have to apply it. And every single thing I'm talking about, it really comes down to that third one, which I'm saying: plan, pray, and execute. So you have to execute. Once you actually get the knowledge, then you have to apply it. when you apply it, that's when you start to see that your life is unfolding. But it may take time, man. It may take 2, 3 years before you actually start to see some results. Now I've been on YouTube for years. I'm just now seeing results. But really what I've noticed is that me putting out a video every week, it was just moving too slow for me. So what do I need to do? Start putting out videos daily. What can you do daily to push yourself forward? What can you do hourly or 2 times a day or 1 time a day to really start to put yourself in the position for your opportunity to come to you? I believe in law of attraction. I believe in all those things, but I more believe in the power of belief, but also executing and working. So if you get nothing from this video at all, is that you have to execute on the purposeful life that you want. And when you start to execute, you'll start to see the life that comes to you. Now, like I say in all of these videos, I have a coaching program, which is a 12-week coaching program that I can help you to elevate your thinking and to really get you on path to getting to your overall design life. I've done it for myself. I'm in a position to where I've built the life that I want and continuing to build the life that I want. And I want to help you to get to those same actual position. But first, I want you to go to the links down in the actual description and download the book, Elevate Your Thinking. This is the first step. This is the first part of execution. To do what I said to do and just go download this book. This is a completely free guide, but a lot of times you get free information is BS. This is great information that's going to help you to progress and to move forward in your life. So go download it right now, Elevate Your Thinking. And then if you want to start on a coaching program, there's an option and an opportunity for you to also join that as well. But again, knowledge is power, and what you don't know disempowers you. So go out and seek the knowledge, then plan, pray, and execute. And every single thing else will start to unfold for you. I'll see y'all next time.